Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. One of the trending stories that I heard was that Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, will soon be freed. That assertion was made by the Abia State Governor, Dr. Otti, during a media chat, a monthly media chat. Now, I don't like that kind of statement. Why do I say so? It doesn't help Nnamdi Kanu's case. Any little progress is shared with the public. There could have been a better way for Dr. Otti if he was asked about Nnamdi Kanu. There could have been a better way to address it than saying that he will soon be released. Not long ago, the Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, Benjamin Kanu, made similar statement that Nnamdi Kanu will soon be released, that he has reached out to him and all that. Why do I consider this unhelpful? It gives the impression that people are playing politics with the whole issue. Let me give you a typical example. And why I find this is sad, because Dr. Otti is somebody that, if you're a follower of this channel, we have said a lot of nice things about him because of his achievements. He has been able to take Abia State out of the woods, so to say. He is probably the best thing to happen to Abia State since 1999. But there are sometimes one gets frustrated by this kind of action. One, you know that Iboho, the leader of one of the leaders of the Yoruba nation, he was also detained. He was charged for treason and all kinds of things. But you know that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu withdrew through his Attorney General and Minister of Justice, withdrew all the cases against him, all the allegations against him there, and he was set free. That was why he had the liberty to be able to go to London to present a petition for Yoruba nation. If he was still being looked at or in detention, either in Benin Republic or in Nigeria, he couldn't be able to do that. Now, before Iboho was released, his case was abandoned by the federal government. You didn't hear any governor from the Southwest talking about what they are doing to free him. You didn't hear any top-ranking legislator in the National Assembly from the Southwest talking about the effort they are making to release him. All you hear is just, pronto, Iboho has been released. And the government gave reasons why he was released. They abandoned his case. So why don't you keep mum? Whatever you are doing on the ground to facilitate his release, why don't you keep it to yourself? It's not every time you put a microphone on your mouth as a leader that you are bound to say something. In fact, if somebody can ask you about what are you doing about Nnamdi Kanu, you can say, I have no comment to make about it. People can say all kinds of things about it, but you say, no, I will not say anything. Southeast leaders are still meeting on his matter. That could have been a better answer. Southeast leaders are still meeting on him. We are meeting on his matter with the presidency. The talk is ongoing. But don't say that he will soon be released. Don't say that. That's not a good way to handle things. These sensitive negotiations like that. I think that is where some of the Southeast leaders are getting it wrong. Nnamdi Kanu's matter is at the center, is at the center for the quest for peace in the Southeast. Everybody knows that. Many of the things happening, the sit-at home and all that, are all tied to his detention. So many believe that if he is released, that those who are agitating on his behalf, those who are enforcing the sit-at home, will have a change of heart. And the Southeast that has lost trillions as a result of Monday sit-at homes will begin to regain itself back. But politicians talking about it may not even help matter. I will not be surprised that even the presidency may not be happy that the discussion they are having with Southeast leader or the governor from Southeast could be divulged just like that. And you know there are people who are vehemently opposed to Nnamdi Kanu being released. There are people who are seriously opposed to it. You see them many in the north who are threatening the president that there will be consequences if you allow Nnamdi Kanu to go. You see, I don't know whether many of you, there are several groups in northern Nigeria, including the coalition of Northern Group and all other Arewa groups. They always fixated on Nnamdi Kanu that he must not be released, that Tinubu will pay a price if Nnamdi Kanu is released. There are people like that. Then when you are having discussion with him, then you begin to talk like that. I don't think that that helps the Nnamdi Kanu's cause, as far as I can see it. And incidentally, the many people from all these northern groups that are opposed to Nnamdi Kanu being released, many of them also, they welcome pardon that have been granted for some Boko Haram surrendered leaders. They don't say that they must be punished. So that's where the hypocrisy comes into the matter. So, but in all, my take on it is that when you are involved in a negotiation as sensitive as this, these are not subject for the media. It's not subject for media chat. You can give a superficial answer. You don't have to give a concrete answer. That because when you say we soon, it means that talks have gone to an advanced stage. Maybe it has not even gone to that level. And like I said, Nnamdi Kanu is a sensitive issue. They are using it even to blackmail Bola Ahmed Tinubu from the north. Let us be aware of some of these things in our quest for fairness, justice, and equity in our nation. I don't know what you think about what Dr. Alex Otti and the Deputy Speaker, there are people who have talked about what they have done to see that Nnamdi Kanu will be released soon. You know, what they are doing, if you juxtapose it with the way the Southwest handled Igbo case, I think it left a lot to be desired. I don't know what you think. Whatever is your position on this one, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and you hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.